Welcome back, everybody, to a new AI video. Today, we're going to be introducing a wonderful new source of AI material used for generating your very own music, Musick AI. First off, I want to start off by saying that this is a very easy to use website if you're worried about not understanding how to use it, of course, or if you're still new to AI. This website will do everything for you, so not to worry. It's a pretty simple operation and easy to get started. Once you're all logged in and ready, this is how the website will be presented. So here we have R&B generation, rap, pop, EDM, jazz. This is where you will create your very own music. So here, if you go into custom mode, you can be more in depth with how you want to create your music. So you got the lyrics, the genre music, which you would type in like pop, rock, hip hop, dubstep. And here you have the title, which is basically what you will be titling your song. I'm going to do a little example under song description. So I have already generated it. So we go to my AI music. I called it Holiday Joy, and it will sound. Holiday joy in every light. Wrap the love in bow so tight. Just a really chill kind of song like that. And if you go into custom mode, I'm just going to do a quick example. These aren't my own lyrics. These are taken from My Heart Will Go On. If we do, let's do a ballad, soft, let's do piano. And as for the title, we're gonna do test. And now we just wait. So here's the little test. So we get 2. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Between us, you have come to but yeah, that's the test. And then we will go to Shirley Temple's By the Beach. So this is the instrumental piece. A little example of that. And then that is our other example. Now, if we go to instrumental, this is where we will create just the sound of the music, no lyrics. So if we type, let's just do slow dancing in the dark. Dancing in the dark. Now that it is done generating, let us take a listen. As you can hear, it's actually quite clean and very clear. Sorry, I listened for a full 4 minutes. So I got really into it. Sorry. And if you go up to Discover, here is where you will see a bunch of creations made by other users of this website. If you go to tags, you got holiday music. You can create here with Musick AI. You only need to type down the description. Lo-fi, I love lo-fi personally. It's really chill music, just really nice to just sit back or maybe play puzzles on your phone while you're listening. I don't know. That's what I do. And here, if you're curious about the pricing and the free version, first login test free. Your generated music is public, but you cannot download it, and you get 3 generations daily. Here, if you pay $99 a year, you can get priority generation queue, unlimited download, 6,000 generations, which is 12,000 songs, and your generated music is only visible to you. So if you wanted to keep your music private, you can. And you can unsubscribe anytime. $10 a month, which is basically another priority generation queue. You get 1,000 downloads per month, 300 generations, which is 600 songs. And again, your generated music is only visible to you. Musick AI is a great solution for YouTube content creators who maybe are in the need for background music, or potential music creators wanting to publish on Spotify. Great price advantages, very affordable, a very simplistic website, very easy to use. It's very user friendly, cost effective, and professional music creation made simple. I would highly recommend that you guys would check out this wonderful website, give it a try. If it works for you, that's great. If it doesn't, that's okay. If you have any questions, you can ask us, or you can go to support@musick.ai. Thank you everybody for watching, and have an amazing day.